how to edit and change your store language on Ecwid, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit and change your store language. First open your browser and then once you're here click settings and then click regional settings, and here we'll find store language. Click language settings and then just and then here we'll find store language. Click change store language, and that's it. Now here we'll find choose the default language of your store and select any language you want here, and then just click save. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.